Whoa, man. There's a problem. The ground will figure out that there.
That's how we play.
You move the
Do you want to
dresser.
take
No.
a turn, Preston?
She's not coming
Go
tonight?
for it, dude.
No.
I want to see this.
Just
I'm going second.
Okay.
I'm in third.
Oh, that's right. You
Third. Hey, I look a lot cooler. Second. Third. Hey, Preston.
Where are they staying?
Go, Preston! Whoa! Did that? Just about tripped it.
You want to try, Mason?
Watch out, those sharks will trip you up.
Can you hold this?
I can.
Going on it.
Go,
You think you can
Mason!
hop faster. I made it.
You
Can I
made
try
it.
again? It's easy because the sharks don't move. Easy.
Better hope
Oh,
they
Just
don't
when
move.
you
They won't. They'll get you.
No.
Like this? I think I saw that one move.
I mean,
It may
I
go
stick
into
it
every.
Did it move?
they should.
Jump in and swim. Go, David, go. Good job.
Easy because the sharks don't move.
Have a